First, when I travel, I need to be able to find everything and I want everything organized. That's one less thing I want to be stressed about. Pack cubes also save you space in your suitcase and when you take them out and put them in your drawer when you get to destination. I'm Christy with Travel Adventures with James and Christy. Packing cubes, they usually come in a set of 4 to 5, and they'll also have a laundry bag attached. Some people use that for a laundry bag, and some people use that to put their shoes in to keep their shoes together. How packing cubes help me stay organized is because I'll keep, sometimes it depends on how long I'll be gone, I'll do it by outfits, 2 to 3 outfits in one packing cube, 2 to 3 in another packing cube. But if it's for a long trip, I'll put all the shirts in one packing cube, my pants, and essentials in another packing cube, but I will pack them how I am going to wear them. And of course, we're minimalists, so we tend to wear things more than once. So I will be able to, it helps me to keep organized and move things from the front to the back. Even though we're minimalists, we always pack those wool tank tops, the ones that help with the odor that you can keep wearing over and over. Those help us to be able to wear things, our outerwear, more without having to wash them so often. So those wool tank tops are fabulous. What I usually pack is 2 pair of pants, 2 shirts, 3 to 5 t-shirts, depending on how long I'm going to be gone or what I'm going to be wearing, a swimsuit, sarong, a dress that I can dress up or down, a raincoat, and a scarf. And of course, I'll have my underwear, pajamas, my jewelry, not that much. I love to know where you're traveling to next. Let me know in the comments. In my packing cube, I fold everything. I fold my shirts 3 times. I will pack them up. And then on the sides, you can stand 1 or 2 shirts standing up on the side. That actually helps with the space in your suitcase to be able to, in your packing cube, to be able to get more in it. You can also put stuff in between and around in your packing cube. There are sometimes I don't want to have to worry about what jewelry I'm wearing with what outfits. So I will put my jewelry around in the same packing cube because it doesn't take up much space. The long packing cube that I have, I will usually put undies and socks in these packing cubes. Now, we don't take as many socks when we travel because we also buy those wool socks that are perfect. You're able to keep wearing those. They don't hold odor. Your feet don't sweat in them. They are just perfect for travel. And of course, in the summertime, I don't wear as many socks because I normally have sandals. Also, on our packing cubes, we have different colors. So say, for instance, we're going somewhere short distance. We want to use 1 suitcase and maybe 1 carry-on. Our things are color-coded. That way we don't have to worry about, is this yours? What's in this? Da-da-da-da-da. It just stays with simplicity. You can also take those cubes right out your suitcase or right out your carry-on bag and put them in the drawers at the hotel. It just makes it easier and simplicity for when you're on vacation. I learned this from another traveler that when you're finished wearing what you need is to turn the shirt inside out. That way, the shirt that's inside out, you're done with it for your vacation. You don't need it anymore. You can just, instead of just throwing it in the corner, if you turn it inside out, you're done with it. You don't have to worry about, oh, have I worn this? Do I need to wear this? Is this clean? Is this not clean? If you have any packing cube methods, let us know in the comments. We'd love for you to share. I use those tips. I share those tips. I just shared one that I got from another traveler. I absolutely love everything that can save me time and space.